भाई सोना है, 2 मिनट रुकिए ना, 2 मिनट में आ रहे हैं हम, बस 2 मिनट में. Hello everyone. It's a complete Saturday vlog. So I have captured my complete Saturday in this vlog. So I did not woke very early in the morning as I slept very late last night. So maybe I woke up at 7:30 and I quickly got busy to make vada sambar as my husband requested. My hands really start hurting while beating the vada batter. I'm really good at shaping vadas. You know, when I learned the vada sambar, yes. Her name is Ayan Pandit. The person whose video I watched on YouTube had told me that whenever we put a vada into the deep frying oil, it has to be first of all on medium heat in the beginning, and then just after 30 seconds you have to turn, otherwise it may not that crispy or the vada supposed to be.
Nuveka, we can say that it's tasty, it's
What?
yummy, delicious. I can't say, but the taste of the sambar is much better than what
Earlier.
I used to eat earlier.
Ah.
So it is good. Today it is good. Then today I came to know that you were adding gur also, jaggery, which is very bad. And that's why it spoiled the taste earlier.
There are some South Indian food that my husband absolutely loves. Vada sambar is one of them, apart from idli. Did you eat vada sambar to your heart's content? Huh? Did you eat vada to your heart's content?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I'm stuffed now.
Vada sambar instantly makes him happy. It looks like soup.
Yes. It look like soup. Mama, don't make upma.
I made upma, but right now we are eating vada sambar.
What is sambar?
Is it tasty? After taking breakfast, I made a kind of tent house for them to keep them engaged so that they do not get bored, because I have to finish so many of chores on Saturday and Sundays, and my husband has to run so many of errands. Where got he stuck? It's very late. He should have come by now. Not by this side, Anna. Not by this side. You have to come by that side. Okay, not this is the boundary. You have not to come by this side. You have to go from this side and then slide, and this is your bed. Okay? This is Anna's house. And we went Reliance Fresh and we wasted 500 rupees. I said I wasted 500 rupees because we didn't purchase a single vegetable that we have to purchase anyhow by tomorrow. Then we took some time of rest. So I am leaving for a outing because I have to get my teeth cap done. It has came out while brushing. My husband was not willing to go and get it done. He was refusing and saying that no, not today. But I said no. What is the saying in English?
I don't know.
If you want to do it tomorrow, do it today. And if you want to do it today, do it right now. He made me walk so much that my feet are completely worn out. Anu, you have got exhaust. That doesn't mean that you will not walk. No, I am also not able to walk. By the evening, we have to set out for the dentist because my teeth capping came off 3 days back. I had to get it done. So this is it. So there are many days, especially on weekends, I don't feel like cooking. Then what do? Earlier I used to order food from Zomato or Swiggy, but now what I do is I simply make chapati and omelette. That's it. Because I am an egg lover. I cannot. No more raisins, Anna. No more raisins, beta. We do not eat this much.
This.
Huh?
Otherwise, in this.
You don't want this dress.
Mommy.
Please. No, it will not get spoiled, beta. You have more sweater above this, na? No. Let me make food fast. Papa, we had a sudden urge to eat Maggie, and we are almost, and it filled us halfway, right?
Oh, means what will you say?
What?
कि मतलब भूख को शांत हो गया
भूख fat हो गया. You have lost your appetite. No. Then what we can say? Let me search on ChatGPT. We are no longer hungry. So we are no longer hungry.
Correct. But we want to eat more.
No.
So I will
So
make.
we will eat omelette and chapati.
And I will also eat.
No, you will not eat. No. Okay, I will give one bite to you. Only one.
No. I will make omelette for my Anu as well. We are sneaking into the kitchen to eat away from the kids because if they see us, they will keep pestering. They will keep pestering us to share because their food and our food is different. We can't give our food to them so often. I'm going to hit the sack because tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, bye bye. We'll see you in the next vlog. Just let me know that should I put the meanings of the some new words or expressions I use in the vlog, or should I just write it in the description? Do let me know because I think my videos would be helpful for the beginners who want to learn English, who want to speak English. They will find my videos very relatable. So that's why I was asking. Bye bye. It's 10:30 p.m. and my husband is getting angry.